radios are automatically activated to warn for the hazard. Tests of these radios are normally conducted by the National Weather Service in Chanhassen every Wednesday at 1 p.m. If severe weather threatens the area near the normal test time, the test will be postponed until the next good weather day. The warning alarm will be activated for selected watches, warnings, and statements affecting central and southern Minnesota and west central Wisconsin. This concludes the test of the warning system. We now return to normal programming.
Now the forecast for the Twin Cities metropolitan area. Today, mostly sunny. Highs in the upper 80s. Northwest winds 15 to 20 miles an hour with gusts to around 35 miles an hour. Tonight, clear.